How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today we are working on the Mk7 GTI. We're doing more interior-ish things. Last video we did the illuminated puddle lights, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It's up in the corner right here. If you're interested in that sort of thing, I've been loving it. Driving the car at night has been really fun. You open the door and it's just kind of flashy and cool. Today we're also doing some other thing that's kind of mechanical, kind of electrical related. We've got some coding to do with our OBD11, which I'm hoping works because they changed their subscription service thing, and last time I tried to pay for it, it was marked as spam by my card company and the charge never went through. And then when it did go through, it said that I didn't have the upgraded Pro plan. So really hoping that this is like the last thing I have to use OBD11 for, because I'm kind of starting to think about getting like the VCDS or something like that. But anyways, this is not what that video is about. We have got the hatch pop kit from ECS Tuning to install today. So let's open up the package, show you what comes in the kit, and we'll go ahead and get it installed. So here's what came in the box. It's just some plastic wrapped, and you can't really tell what it is until we get it open. Come on, knife. So it does come with new hardware because you will be replacing these. Not a big deal, it's just to fit the new little struts, the hydraulic struts that come on the back of this thing. And so this probably doesn't look anything different. It is ECS branded. This is probably just some sort of hydraulic strut that you can order like anywhere really. The difference is it's got this spring on the top. So when this is compressed, it'll spring right here, and when you open the hatch, it'll pop open. It's a hatch pop kit. That's just what it's called. That's what it does. Not really much else to explain outside of that. It should be a very simple install outside of the coding portion of it, because I think I'm gonna have an issue with that with my OBD11, but here it is. Nice construction. Say what you will about ECS. I order a lot of my stuff from there. It always shows up on time, and I've only had one issue that they rectified very quickly. So here it is. Two struts, two little hinge knobs that go on the top. I don't know what they're called. Ball joints, not ball joints, but you know what I mean. And then some washers. So I'm gonna show you the hatch and then we'll put these in. So on any Golf GTI or whatever, at least the Mk7, Mark 7.5, you push in the little thing and you pull it open, and there's our little hood struts that, you know, you don't have to replace these. They do wear out, so if yours are kind of worn and your hatch is floppy, might be worth just upgrading these with the hatch pop kit, or you can just get new struts. Either way, so if you're doing this at home and you just need new struts, this will be a good video to reference as well. It's really easy. There's just little clips at the bottom and the top. Here's the little ball stud for the stock one. My camera will focus. So yeah, there's a little ball stud right there. So all we need to do is get a little flathead screwdriver, pop one of these off, put in the new strut, pop that one off, put in the new strut, and we will be on our way for the first part of the process. So the hatch pop kit is installed, at least mechanically, and pretty easy to get on. I had to get a little broomstick to hold the hatch up. I didn't think I would have to do that, but I guess I did. And yeah, so everything's in, everything's latched in with our new little bolts, the little ball joint bolt, ball studs, and all attached in here, so we're good to go. And now we're gonna close it up and see how hard it is to close. I think it's gonna be definitely harder once these springs hit the thicker part of the struts, and then we'll have to like really kind of push it down, and then we'll see how it opens. I think it's gonna kind of fly open when you do open it, so we'll see about that. And then we're gonna try to do the coating, and then we can have the key fob open the hatch. So definitely stiffer, but that's probably because of the new struts. And there's the, yeah, there it is. So it's actually pretty hard to close. Feels, I don't know, it almost feels like you're gonna break something, but I don't think my key fob is already programmed to do this. Let's see if we hold it. Yeah, it's not programmed to do it. So we'll have to do some programming, but it should be pretty easy otherwise. And then opening it, I'm afraid it's gonna like swing up at me, and I know it actually is going to, so I'm gonna stand back a little bit. Holy cow. All right, that is aggressive. So it is nice, it's kind of terrifying, but I'm sure it'll kind of work itself in after a while. Your hands are gonna be dirty always now, touching this if it's not clean, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of terrifying. There it is. All right, let's plug in our OBD2 or OBD11 and get this programmed. All right, so back here, I have done decoding in OBD11, which was easy. It's just one of the apps. I just searched for trunk, and it was pop trunk with key fob for the hatch pop kit. So, holding the little button here, it's not gonna focus, but little trunk button on your key fob. So now, let's see if this works. There it goes. That is fancy. Makes it a lot easier to go out to your car with boxes, groceries, things like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so pretty easy to install this. If you've got like 30 minutes, you should be able to do it. And make sure you have VCDS, I think it's Carista, or OBD11, because you will need to code this in if your key fob doesn't already pop the hatch open. This is really like, you're just adding springs to your hatch struts, which I don't know if you could do yourself, but this kit, it probably can be found other places outside of just ECS. I just chose to go through ECS for this case. But yeah, I like it. We'll see how long it lasts. Like I said, it is kind of aggressive. It pops open really fast, and if you're standing close or not ready, it is gonna like hit you. So definitely like remind anyone else who drives your car or is getting in the trunk that happens. We'll see how long it lasts. It's one of those things where like the novelty might wear off and it might just get annoying, but you know, time will tell. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, so I'd love to have you as a subscriber and a viewer of the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.